All right, Ringmaster Olive, what are we doing today?
We're opening this package. It's very squishy.
What do you think it's going to be?
I think it's gonna be a stuffed animal.
You think it's going to be a stuffed animal?
Yeah.
What makes
It's so squishy.
Really? What other things in life are squishy?
I also think it's a unicorn stuffed animal.
That's what you think?
Yeah.
But the question was, what other things in life are squishy?
Stuffies,
Stuffed animals
squishies, and beds.
and beds?
And pillows.
Yeah, good answers. All right, let's do this.
And skin.
And skin?
Yeah, because it feels so squishy when you pinch it. It feels squishy when you pinch it. Look.
Yum. All right, let's do this.
Okay.
Let's do this. Rip it on open, Ringmaster. Oh,
Yeah. I see what's inside it.
what is it?
I feel a thing.
What do you feel?
I see a unicorn.
What?
I do.
I thought unicorns aren't real.
Okay.
Wait, what? When you open it,
Look inside.
what's in there? What is it? What is that? Who is that?
Oh my god! I love it.
What is it?
It's a unicorn.
A unicorn? Get in there.
I want to open it.
Well, then open it.
So we'll see what it is right now.
Oh, I'm
We
excited.
don't know what's inside.
I have no clue. I don't even know what that is. It's a unicorn, you said?
I think.
You think?
I hardly can think.
Oh.
I feel stuffed animal.
Really? This is getting crazy, everybody. The anticipation is killing me. I have no clue.
Guys, guess what it says?
What does it say?
Poppy's Playtime.
What? Who is it?
CraftyCorn.
CraftyCorn. Oh, good job.
It gave me the cutest character ever. I love it.
Well, hello, CraftyCorn.
Hello, I like crafting.
You like crafting?
Yeah,
What do you like to craft, CraftyCorn?
I like the crafty unicorns because I'm a unicorn.
Oh, I like your necklace a lot.
Thank you.
You're pretty cool, huh?
I'm gonna go show my mom.
All right. Am I following you with the camera, or are you signing us off?
We're not sanding it off.
We're not. So what am I doing here?
Awesome. I'm gonna show them my playset. In CraftyCorn, I'll show CraftyCorn my playset.
You gonna show? So I'm following you.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm following Ringmaster Olive. Instead of showing her mom CraftyCorn right away, she's gonna show CraftyCorn her playset. All right, CraftyCorn.
It's so fun.
All right, lead the way, Crafty.
Okay. CraftyCorn will follow. CraftyCorn is so. Oh my god, it's so cute! I want to try it!
What are you gonna try first, CraftyCorn?
Since you're a stuffed animal and you don't know how to swing yet because you're just a stuffed animal, you can sit in my sister's swing.
Oh, that's very nice.
Can
That's good. I don't think Crafty's going anywhere.
Crafty, don't push her because she knows how to swing herself.
Okay. Well, Ringmaster.
She likes swinging slow, so slow.
Unlike you, where you like swinging so fast.
We do speed swings. Okay, now I'm gonna. Okay, Crafty, you want to go down the slide?
Yes.
Sure. Okay. CraftyCorn, you beat CraftyCorn. You won. CraftyCorn, you won. CraftyCorn is the. Okay, guys, you want to learn about CraftyCorn? CraftyCorn is the cutest character from Poppy Playtime.
What's Poppy's Playtime?
It's a video game, duh.
Oh, duh. And
It is also a video on YouTube.
where can they watch it?
You can watch it on YouTube Kids.
What? Are you putting it on?
Mommy!
Yeah.
Mommy! Guess what I got?
Raised by curiosity.
Just a unicorn. Poppy Playtime. Oh my god.
Here. Hey, Ringmaster, here. Take the phone real quick. I'm going to help your mom with the grill.
Okay.
And then sign us off when you're ready, okay?
Okay.
It's facing you. Or it's facing the other way.
Okay. Okay, guys, so this is CraftyCorn. What do you want to do today, CraftyCorn? I want to go on this ride. See this little necklace here? It's cute. CraftyCorn, what's your favorite thing to do? Craft. What things do you like to craft? Unicorns, because I'm a unicorn. Okay. Then let's go down the slide. Okay. Daddy? Dad?
What up?
Look
Thank you.
what I got.
Oh, cool.
It's a unicorn.
It's a unicorn?
Uh-huh.
Surprise, surprise.
Do your kids play Poppy's Playtime?
I have no idea.
No, it's on. They have the Switch, right?
Yeah.
It's on the Switch. They have it on the Switch. It's a very creepy game. It's
They do like some creepy stuff.
yeah.
It's actually from Poppy Playtime, and there's so many friends that
Six chapters, 5
CraftyCorn
chapters.
has.
Oh.
It's 5 chapters. It's like it's a puzzle game, and it's impossible. It's I'm
We
like
kept getting ate by Huggy Wuggy.
yes,
Yeah?
yes.
Gotcha.
I can't even.
She's your mini you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. She yeah, yeah. Yep.
CraftyCorn, let's go.
Oh yeah, she's
I'm trying to remember that creepy thing they were watching one day, and it was like creeping me out. It
really.
was like scare, like jump stuff.
Yeah.
And walking through dark hallways, and a guy would jump out and like kill you.
It's probably that. Were they watching or playing? It's probably that.
You were playing it?
Yeah, it's probably that. It's probably Poppy's Playtime.
Yeah.
Huh. Well, it's FPD here, and Ringmaster is really enjoying her new friend, CraftyCorn. She's telling the neighbors all about the Poppy's Playtime and Crafty and all the fun stuff. And now it seems that Ringmaster and CraftyCorn are going to make a video of their own. So we're going to end this one, and we're going to say, see you later, and come on back for more.
Shaky tail, shaky.
Hey, Ringmaster.
What?
Sign us off this video and tell them to look for your new video where you and CraftyCorn take on the world together. What are you guys gonna do?
We're gonna play and craft together.
Okay. That sounds like fun.
And we're gonna open a new package that will be CraftyCorn's friend.
Oh, are we?
Yeah.
Where's that package at?
I don't know. At least we gotta buy it.
Oh, maybe you could craft it with CraftyCorn.
And then put it in the Amazon box. I'll get it. So that.
What?
Pretend like we already didn't open it. Okay.
I don't know, Ida. What are we doing, Ringmaster? She's just sitting down. Do 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 do. Here she comes.
In this video, we're gonna open this.
What is that?
It's something.
It's something? Something we've never seen before?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so excited.
I don't know what it is.
Me either. Are we opening it now?
I don't know who ordered it, but it might be Mom who ordered it.
Well, let's see. I'm so curious to see what it is. What? A cup? What kind of cup is that?
A paper.
Wow. That's cool. Somebody sent you a paper? I wonder what that is. What is that? What is that?
Poppy Playtime.
Poppy Playtime? Wow. What is it? Oh my God. Is that CraftyCorn?
Yes.
That is so cool.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Can you feed her some of this while I get the chicken out?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Oh, it's hot. All right. Well, come on back for the next video where Ollie and CraftyCorn get crafting.
Say Poppy's Playtime.
Poppy's Playtime. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Ringmaster Ollie.
Poppy Playtime. Make sure to like and subscribe. CraftyCorn hug. Oh.
See ya.
Raised by curiosity.